Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, yeah, let's just look at this shoes here. The reasons why they are not going good. Why are they going bad quickly? I don't know. And they're brand new actually, so I don't know why they are going bad. So you can see they're using qualities and then not for sale. What's their mind actually? But they're going worse. I don't know the reasons. So you can see this one here is also a boot I have. Okay, the quality is good, and then the back right there is also using they're using quality, okay, using qualities. And then right here, if you look right there, is coming out. You can see right there. See, someone just I left someone just enter somewhere with those things. That's why I'm just protecting those ones. Like this one here is good. It's not complaint. And then this one here is office. Office is also brand new. This is the same thing, you know. Like it's getting. If you look right there, that is shoe makers only. When you want to wear, you put them inside. They're like shoe powders. And then here, the other one here also is brand new. It has no problems. Okay, so if you look on the back, they're all using qualities. So like this one here is also sneaker. Okay, it's like it's also it's also the same thing. When you look on the back of it, they're all using qualities. Okay, so they're like this one here. This one here is safety. Is a safety shoes. Safety. Stelto is also in qualities. You can see why here. If you look here, this area here is metal. Okay, it's very hard. It's for work. Okay, work shoes. This is Stelto for drivers, for factories use. And then you know, like it's the same thing. Like if you look on the other one here, this one here is for showers when you are going to bathe. It's a bathing shoes for office or for anything you are using. But when you look here, you look on this line here, someone opened it and ran away, and might have the backlog. It's like they did it, they waste it. If you look here, there is all brand new. They are using good qualities, but the reason is the guy was doing like this. They will just waste it like this. It's already damaged. Right there, you can see. I left the damage also on this side here. You can see this is damage. Okay, it's damaged. So that's why I'm protecting it for that reasons, so that they won't be waste. You know, that is a shoe complaint I have there. Okay, so complaining for my shoes. That is basically shoes. Yeah. So that is me right there. Hassan does his sound. When Hassan does his sound. So no, this is me right there. Okay. So the case is the shoes, as I'm saying, the shoes.